Go get another sandwich.
Alright,
That is so cool.
Dude, I panicked and ran inside.
Dude, look at this. Dude, I had a piece of bread like that, and it took it out of my hand. Oh, it stinks.
It said she-shell. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Oh, you're covering the whole thing, dude.
And now you're recording.
PB&J?
Oh, that's hard.
PB&J.
Alright, look how small this piece is. We'll grab it.
Oh my god.
That was a clutch ass catch, dude.
Oh my god, took it right out of your hand.
Yep.
These are.
Oh my god.
Any more?
I'm so
I want
scared
to try
right
it.
now.
Here, record while I do
Okay.
it.
Yeah, little piece, dude. It won't bite your finger, I promise.
Whose idea was this? Is this my idea? Horrible idea.
Oh my god.
You're about to get fed. Yeah, you. You gorgeous little bird.
Oh my god.
Aw, dude, I got it.
You did?
Yep. Do it again. Do it again. Do this one. This guy. No, don't throw it. Seriously. Hand. Small one. It'll come right up to you. Yep. Beautiful.
Oh my goodness. I'm starting to get extremely scared right now.
Why?
Because he's just floating right there. Why don't
Dude,
you
they're
stick my
beautiful.
eyes out?
Look at him.
Yeah, they are pretty damn gorgeous.
Look at you. You're beautiful.
Oh my god.
Look at woman.
Oh, he's mad.
Oh my god, he's hungry as
I'm
fuck.
going inside.
I got him. Come here.
We're gonna get kicked off the cruise ship.
Come here. Come on.
Oh my god. Can't believe that shit.
I know.
They're everywhere.
Come on. Here. This one. No? This one wants it. Yep. Come here, baby. Oh. That's a little small for them, I think. Come on.
Kevin, move your head a little to the right. Yeah.
Oh, it's coming. Oh,
It's too small.
just toss it.
Come here. Dude, somebody's gonna grab it, I promise. Right here.
He's like, yeah, I want that stuff. Give me that. You had that stuff in your hand. I was like,
Keep moving. Get it. Ready?
Like the birds out here.
Ready?
oh,
you want some?
He's screaming
You want
at
some?
you. This is terrifying.
Yeah.
I know, right?
Alright, ready? Here's, get a good close up
Alright,
on this
hold
one,
on.
because they're gonna grab that for sure.
Oh yeah. Got a good one.
That was fucking awesome, dude.